this kit has been kindly supplied to me by Fanhome. If you'd like to build your own, there's a link in the description below. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 65 of building the Infinity Gauntlet. In this issue we're doing the same again. We're putting 5 screws in to hold another strip of the inner forearm together. After flicking through the magazine, if you want to read it, obviously pause and have a look yourself, but it doesn't interest me really much. So there we go, that's what we're doing, another strip down there, which, yeah, soon we'll be starting another finger. We've got a thumb and 2 fingers. We've already got 2 fingers to go. And this, we've done the outside bit of that. And it's not approaching the end, but the end is in sight. I can sort of vaguely see whereabouts the end is going to be coming from. So, yeah, we're getting there. But feel free to look at all of that, all the goodness from DC and Marvel and everything. And not DC, it's all Marvel. Right, let me clear this out of the way and let's get this other panel fitted. So here we are, another strip. We've got a bag of screws, which I'm not going to open because we've got enough spare screws from the previous parts so far. So this is going on there. We're building this along, getting the right way round. That slips on there like so. I did have to take a bit of it apart again because I didn't have it quite lined up properly. But this bit has got to go on there. It's got to go on the, yeah, that's where I went wrong. It's not on the outside like that. It's actually got to go inside like that, just like all the bits on the other side do. So that's that. So that was the middle piece. We've got 2, and then a big bit. So next time is probably a big bit, finishing this one off. But for now, we shall get, well, I won't because I've just, it's popped out of place again. We need 5 screws to hold this together like that on the inside of that. I shall get those in there and tighten it up camera because yeah, otherwise it's just a really boring video. This way it's just a really boring video, but it's, at least it's short. Yeah, if you'd like to see more, then let me know. Do leave a comment. Let me know if you'd like to see, you know, me do things differently. I have considered doing sort of multiple issues in one video, but I do like the, you know, the rapid release, even though they're short videos. I think it's better to have each issue be its own thing. It's easier to find if you should need to refer back to a particular issue. Not that it's likely that you will, but if you do, then it's easier to find if they're all, you know, labelled and correctly in a playlist. But do let me know your thoughts and opinions about that as well. And other than that, that's just about it. I think there's one more screw I've got to put in one of these, but we'll do that in a minute. And that's another one done, all tight and secure. So join me next time for, I think, what might be the last panel of this side. And we'll see you for that very soon. Bye-bye for now.